as an editor, people don't realize how broad and how many skill sets you need. Not only do you need an instantaneous operation of like the Avid and its functions, but you need to understand character, you need to understand the arc of the story, you need to understand performance. Performance is everything in my business because we're picking magic. We're picking the magic parts. Before Avid, it was Stone Age. We were cutting on 3/4, tracing lists, time code all over the picture. It was a mess. There was so much technical issue to focus on, you couldn't focus on the art. Avid came along and put it in, and now all my material I could look at and judge it only on an art basis. I didn't have to find a tape, I didn't have to find anything, I could just click and it would appear. If you look at the 1,600 edits I make in an episode of Will and Grace, between laughs, production tracks, picture tracks, effects, and everything else, that's 1,600 decisions you have to make. And if you don't know how to easily do a cut, move on, trim a cut, modify it, make it, you're there forever. You're there forever. So knowing the tools of your trade is like the best thing you can be when you're given a job.